to remove tab stops in Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, on your PC or laptop, you need to open a web browser on your device. After that, click on the Google Apps at top right corner of the screen. From here, select Google Docs and open Google Docs. Once it opens, click the blank document, and once it opens, you have to locate the tab stops that you want to remove in Google Docs. So as we can easily find out the tab stops at the top of the screen on the scroller. So in order to remove this tab stops in Google Docs, you simply need to left click on it, and after that you can easily drag it up, and once you drag it up and go up to the top or address bar, it will be removed from your Google Docs. So you have to try it once. If this helps for you, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.